All you need to do is to get your Google Ads certification, and then very quickly you can start earning over $100 an hour. That is the promise that YouTubers who have no actual experience in Google Ads have been pushing now for a couple of years. And the big problem is that none of these YouTubers have any idea about how Google Ads certifications work, whether they actually help you get any new clients for Google Ads. And the reason for that is because they're too busy copying each other, trying to find the latest trends that will help them get more views for their YouTube channel so they can push their latest scam on how they can make money online. Oh, sorry, did I say scam? I meant idea. Sorry, how they can use their latest idea. Now, in my 12 years of running Google Ads, I've been running Google Ads now since 2010. And in that time, I've never had a potential client ask me about my Google Ads certification. And I've never found that my Google Ads certification has generated me any extra work. And the reason for this is clear, is because a potential client doesn't really care about some certificate that you got from Google. All they want to see is what results have you got for real clients in helping them grow their business with Google Ads. And then let's take this a step further in that the current Google Ads certification process is really weak at the moment. And the reason for that is because anyone, and I mean anyone, could go and get a Google Ads certification today without even knowing about Google Ads. And you could even get a Google Ads certification without even taking the exam. The reason why I know this is because I regularly get WhatsApp messages of people offering to do the Google Ads certification for me and then send the Google Ads certification to my account. Plus, it only takes a quick Google search of searching Google Ads certification answers for 2023, and you very quickly see a whole heap of different answers that you can use. So you just go into the different websites, and then you can go through and have a look at the individual answers to the individual questions. So you can just go for the Google Ads question, what's the benefit of using a site link extension? You'll click on this, and it gives you all of the answers with the answer highlighted in green. So as you can see, because that Google Ads certification is so easy to obtain just by Googling the answers, and there's also countless services and people that will send you emails or WhatsApp messages saying they will get this certification for you. The Google Ads certification doesn't actually give you what you're wanting it to give you in that high level of credibility. And I found through running Google Ads campaigns and through picking up new Google Ads clients since 2010 is that if you would ask a client or a potential client, would they prefer to see your Google Ads certification, or would they prefer to see real life accounts with real life results of you showing them exactly how you turned a business around or improved a Google Ads campaign? That potential client is going to take the results over a certification every single day of the week. Now, I'm not saying that Google Ads certifications are a complete waste of time. If you're new to Google Ads and this is a career that you really want to pursue, so you really want to learn how to use Google Ads to grow your own business, or if you want to upskill and learn Google Ads so that you could work at a digital agency, start your own digital agency, or become a highly profitable Google Ads freelancer, if you're completely new, then the Google Ads certification does have some merit. And the reason for that is because it does explain to you the core elements of how Google Ads works. It's also a great resource to let you know, especially when you're new to Google Ads, what the different terms in Google Ads mean. So you can learn about click-through ratio, you can learn about search impression share, and what all of those new terms mean. And as you go through the Google Ads certification and the extra manuals, it does take you through the process of how to set up a Google Ads campaign and some different optimization actions that you can complete. So if that is you and you are passionate about learning Google Ads, it is a good starting base to get a Google Ads certification. But I do want to stress, by having that Google Ads certification, in no way is it going to make it any easier for you to get some new clients in 2023. Because I'm living proof that once you are able to master Google Ads, you can charge way more than $100 an hour to manage other people's Google Ads campaigns. But you're not going to be able to achieve that just through getting a Google Ads certification. What you need to do is you need to have two core things in place. Firstly, you need to understand how to optimize a Google Ads campaign to increase the profits of that campaign. Now, I love Google Ads as a platform, and the reason for that is because Google Ads has changed my life. It allowed me to not only build my own business, but then to build a successful digital agency and a career as a freelancer where I'm managing other people's Google Ads campaigns, all while I'm able to freely travel the world and work a schedule that I like to work, which is comfortable for me and my family. But having said all of that, I clearly understand that Google Ads is the way that Google makes money. In fact, out of all of Google's products, Google Ads is their big money maker for them. Without Google Ads, Google would not be the company that it is today. And it's because of that reason is that Google will show you the way to set up and optimize a campaign, which makes them more money. Whereas what we want to know as Google Ads professionals, we want to know exactly how to set up and optimize a campaign so that the client gets more money or that our own business gets more money. And to help you with that, I want to give you access to my Google Ads optimization checklist. And this will let you know the correct optimization steps that you need to take to see success with your Google Ads campaigns. And this takes you through all the actions that you need to optimize in your Google Ads account every 72 hours, every week, every month, and every 90 days. And if you would like to get free access to that today and start your journey in learning how to set up and optimize Google Ads campaigns the right way, all you need to do is to follow that link in the description below. And then secondly, if you feel like you've already got a good understanding of how Google Ads works and you're already seeing some great results with the campaigns that you manage now, and you'd like to go about signing some more clients for Google Ads in 2023, what you need to have is you then need to have a process for how you're going to sign up some new clients. And what I want you to do right now is I want you to go through and watch this video right here where I take you through the steps of how you can sign up extra clients in 2023. Once again, thank you for joining me. My name is Aaron Young from Define Digital Academy, and I'm your 15,000 hour Google Ads Master. I look forward to seeing you on our next video. See ya.